Cozy Motorized TV Mount Lid Mechanism. Adjust the height between 32 inches and 70 inches with the wired controller and the wireless remote control. Real-time height is displayed on the wired controller. Our TV lid provides up to 154 pounds weight capacity for 32 inches to 70 inches screens. Made of reinforced steel, it's perfect for flat screen TVs, HD TVs, curved, OLED, and smart TVs. You can easily program 3 preset heights on this TV lift system. It moves smoothly, quietly, and quickly thanks to the revolutionary screw-rod structure. Comes 80% pre-assembled, with all necessary installation accessories, to complete assembly in under 10 minutes. You can choose to mount this TV lifting bracket onto the wall, or into a TV cabinet, NOT to be installed on the ceiling. If you want to know more information about this product, you can follow this video description. Vivo Swivel Bolt-Down TV Stand. Bolt-down TV stand secures to your dresser, desk, or other surfaces to provide solid support for your TV, preventing it from tipping and creating tamper-proof use. Swivel adjustment ranging from -30 degrees to +30 degrees allows proper positioning for a comfortable viewing angle that makes every seat in the house the best seat. Locking mechanism prevents potential collision with walls. The Toys Universal TV Stand. Universal TV stand base tabletop stand to mount your TV and AV components on an entertainment center or a desk table. 8mm thick sleek tempered glass shelf can store your cable TV box, satellite receiver, gaming consoles such as PS4, Xbox, or Apple TV. TV bracket is height adjustable. 3 positions to suit different applications or TV sizes. Vivo Universal Tabletop TV Stand. Universally compatible with most 22 inches to 65 inches flat and curved screens. This is a perfect replacement base that gives extra stability and height to your TV. Mounts to VESA patterns from 75x75mm to 800x400mm. VESA holes must be centered on the back of your screen. The bracket legs are constructed with high-grade steel. WALI Universal TV Stand Tabletop. Compatibility. The TV stands holds 22 inches 65 inches TVs and weighing up to 110 pounds. VESA compatibility. 75x75mm up to 800x400mm. Mult adjustable, 2-level height adjustable mounting holes for better viewing flexibility. Protection. 3mm feet soft pad on base prevents scratching a floor or cabinet surface. Installation. Mounting has never been so easy, 20 minutes to install it. Package includes WALI TV stand, black, X1, mounting hardware kit X1, user manual X1, 10-year protection.